Okay, so I told you that you could use CSS selectors to target specific things. Well, you can also use that to grab specific elements off the page. The way you do that is you use querySelector or querySelectorAll. So let's say I want to target this H1 tag. In order to do that, I would say document.get, sorry, dot querySelector. And in there, it takes a way of selecting something. So I could do div h1. So what I'm saying is go find a div that has an h1 immediately inside of it. The way query selector works is it finds the first match and returns it as an element. So I could say let my elements equal document.querySelector. And then I could say my element dot style dot color is, and then I'll just set it equal to that color. So I'm going to change it from aqua, or sorry, I'm going to change it from white to gray, which we'll see if that actually even shows up. Okay, so I click change the colors and this div changed color slightly. And you can see as compared to this div that was not affected. But you'll notice both of these are H1 tags inside of the div. When I click change the color, it only changed the first one. And that is because querySelector just finds the first match based on the selector you gave it. So it just finds the first div that has an H1 tag as the immediate child. And that is this H1 tag. This H1 tag, according to styling, right here, is also found. So if you want to grab both of them, instead of saying .querySelector, you can say querySelectorAll, and that will grab all of the H1 tags that are immediate children of divs. In that case, what it returns is an array. So you can say my L list and you can loop through it. I've been using for of loops recently, but I'm going to switch this to be a for each loop. The way you do that is you say my L list dot for each, and it says, and it takes a function and it applies it to each element in the list. So I'm going to say take an element out of the list and go into the element, access its style, and set its color equal to that color. Now, when we come over here and I click change the colors, it grabs both H1 tags inside of the div and changes them. But it doesn't change this first H1 tag because the selector did not target it. And that is how you can use querySelector and querySelectorAll to use CSS selectors to target specific HTML elements.